Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, in this video, you will be able to learn how to draw ears. Let's go. Drawing ears may seem difficult and complex because they contain many bumps, valleys and folds. Learning how to draw an ear is a lot easier when you learn to simplify its complex shapes and breaking down those complex shapes into simple figures. So without wasting more time, let's move ahead and look over the steps. Step 1. Dividing into parts. The ear is a complicated arrangement of ripples and folds of flesh. Organize it into basic forms. Step number 2. The line drawing. Start drawing the outline of an ear, observing its shape. Step number 3. The midtones. Observe the ripples consisting of shadows. Apply midtones at first. Step number 4. The full tones. Darken the areas with full tones. Shade proper ripples and nerves, giving each highlight. So this is how you can draw ears. Just follow the steps and you are done. Don't forget to share if you feel it beneficial. Now let's see an easy step-by-step process. If you want to learn more about sketching, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post their sketching stuff weekly. Hit the like button if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Comment the topics you want me to make the videos of. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep practicing, keep sketching, and thanks for watching.